Since its initial publication, Rich Dad, Poor Dad has been one of the most influential books ever created. Why? Because the author describes his journey of self-discovery regarding money management and his path to financial freedom. There are some personal finance books that you should read if you want to develop good saving habits. Training and reading can help you improve your economic control, allowing you to become more financially literate and ultimately increase your financial freedom. While many people manage perfectly by relying on their intuition to guide their spending habits, it can also be beneficial to broaden your knowledge and set up a budget, an emergency fund, or ensure you have a financial contingency plan in the event of unexpected circumstances. This is a plethora of reading material available to assist you in applying a better philosophy to your finances. One of them is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a must-read for anyone interested in personal finance. Reading is one way to get you on the right track with your money. It provides clever ways to break free from the vicious cycle of working hard for others your entire life while failing to save anything. Here are 8 valuable lessons from the book that you can apply to your own life. Condition your thoughts. If you always think negatively about how you travel through life in terms of money, you will never be free to explore any other options for making more money. Our minds are influential, and constantly thinking about not doing something will lead to not doing it. Kiyosaki teaches you to focus on the possibilities of working your way out of the rat race mindset and working on an entrepreneurial scale of investing in yourself with what you have around you. He uses his journey from working for free for a friend's father to renting out old comic books for a profit as an example. If you say, "I can't afford it," you prevent yourself from considering different ways to grow. Instead, ask yourself, "How can I afford it?" This acts as a feeder for your brain to generate ideas. Maneuver every negative can't-do thought into a positive can-do attitude. For example, in the book, Robert Kiyosaki learned how to get out of the rat race. Working for free for a friend's father taught him to manage his fear and desire to make money work for him and his friend. Look for experiences that make you smarter. According to Kiyosaki, the wealthy become billionaires by seizing opportunities and taking risks. They never overthink their chances, only their investments. As a result of these risks, they are constantly in situations where they can become more competent, gain more life skills, and improve their communication skills. He took a risk with his first investment, which earned him only $25 per month. But even though the business did not make him a millionaire, he used the lessons he learned to become better and more focused with each new deal made. Kiyosaki used the lessons he learned from working for his friend's father for free to start a small comic book rental business. He managed to raise an $18,000 investment and launch his first company using comic books he found lying around while cleaning. Seeking mediocrity is a flaw that prevents people from taking calculated or impulsive risks that can aid in the development of an empire. Being more intelligent due to your experiences will teach you to strategize your investments and set your goals on a path to wealth. Your accomplishments should always include your financial objectives as well as the risks you take to get there. Improve your financial knowledge. Kiyosaki believes that financial literacy is the most critical aspect of assisting anyone in establishing solid business foundations. Money powered by intelligence is a way for the average person to learn to solve their financial problems. He believes that if you don't have the intelligence to manage your finances, your money will vanish before you even have a chance to look at it. This valuable lesson demonstrates how true it is that not planning will make you spend your money frivolously. Taking no care to educate yourself on how to increase the little you have will never lead to having a lot. Intelligence solves problems and generates money, he writes in his book. Money without financial intelligence is money that is quickly depleted. This, according to Kiyosaki, is an essential instruction for laying a solid foundation. Our educational system teaches us to work for money while teaching us nothing about making, keeping, and managing money. We should learn how to create wealth, which includes advocating for financial independence. To ensure financial freedom, keep inflation in mind and have the appropriate investment asset mix in place to meet your financial objectives. Maintain your focus on your wealth. In his book, Kiyosaki claims that the only way to achieve financial independence is to mind your own business and stay focused on your personal goals. Trying to find legitimate ways to increase your wealth, seek out opportunities, or invest in valuable assets companies is how you can generate a consistent income. According to Kiyosaki, keeping your eye on the prize requires a lot of focus, and you should be looking for more ways to increase the money you have. Understanding tax the corporation way. Kiyosaki explains how corporations pay their taxes. They are allowed to spend their earnings before they are taxed, whereas the average person is taxed on their profits and only paid once that is done. Your primary focus should be on improving your understanding of accounting, learning about investing, turning a profit, and the legal system. This is how you can engage in sound tax planning. Savings that can be wisely invested to increase your wealth will also be important to consider. Begin investing now. Hiring people more intelligent than you, according to Kiyosaki, will increase your wealth through their ideas. Increasing your knowledge and becoming acquainted with various strategies will assist in broadening your mindset while opening you up to new possibilities. According to the author, a trained mind is a rich mind, because the more you train your mind to take risky steps, the further you will progress. The wealthy create their luck by overcoming obstacles, and the same is valid for money. It has to be made. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education and advises businesses to hire intelligent people to capitalize on their knowledge. Increasing your knowledge gives you more power. So, educate yourself on various investment avenues and strategies, and consider using independent research services. It can make you self-sufficient, and you will be able to transact independently on a reliable robo-advisory platform. Attempt to gain knowledge through skill. Kiyosaki believes that chasing money will inevitably result in loss, so you should work to gain knowledge rather than riches. Life skills are how you will learn to communicate with others effectively, and improved people skills will lead to understanding information that others may have that could improve your investments. Robert believes that people are one skill away from great wealth. Life skills such as communication, system and people management, and so on are equally crucial for financial success, but are not taught in schools. You should learn these life skills to help you on your way to financial independence. Effective communication and people management skills make it simple to obtain relevant information from your investment advisor. Staying in control. Separating your emotions from your daily business life allows you to make executive decisions that will not cost you money. Keep your personal feelings about other people's success to yourself, and try to keep your head buried in your desire for success. There will always be negative talk, fear, and pessimism, but allowing these to dominate your plans will cause you to doubt yourself. Stay away from anyone who tries to persuade you to do something safe. They will only cause you to be overly cautious at all times, allowing you to miss out on opportunities that you could have invested in. According to Robert Kiyosaki, an individual should stay focused on the end goal, leading to financial freedom, and work toward it. As a result, try to figure out different legal ways to accumulate wealth, look for opportunities, or invest in businesses to collect more assets and generate a steady income stream. And use the income you earn to create more returns or wealth. You should be able to make money work for you. To summarize, the book Rich Dad Poor Dad is what you need to read if you want to succeed financially. You must keep your mind on the end goal, educate yourself on money, and surround yourself with people or situations that inspire you to strive for greater heights. Taking risks is part of the learning process, and as long as you keep an open mind about the direction you want to take with your money, you will be successful by diving in headfirst. If you want to learn more about making the most of your money, pick up a copy of Robert Kiyosaki's award-winning book and read about how he changed his perspective on money to become one of the world's most well-known billionaires. See you next time.